Hello beautiful hearts, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share an easy photo frame idea using cardboard. You can also use this as wall hanging. So for now, stay with me and enjoy the process. Here I took a piece of cardboard. It's 10 inch by 6 inch. We also need some pieces for each and cut them like this way. Now with the glue I am adding these pieces to the cardboard. Okay, this is done. Let's make some quilling for more decoration. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do so, please give a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll be very soon with new ideas, and till then, stay beautiful.